from other concept. Okay, once again, welcome you to our NMMS classes. Right. So next we shall discuss. Right. One more important point that we are going to discuss. See, for example, let us say this A is equal to 60 degrees and B is equal to 120 degrees. So then what do you say about these two angles? What do you say about these two angles? What do you say about these two angles? Do you have any idea? Would you like to share? So for example, add these two angles A and B, 60 degrees plus 120. Then what do we get? 180 will get it. So that means the sum of the two angles is 180. Then what do you say? What do you say about angles A and B? A and B. This is our question. So try to answer it. Okay, Araja, check. Suchitra, absolutely correct. So they are called, A and B are called, A comma B are called supplementary angles. Supplementary angles. Right? That means 60 degrees is supplement of 120, 120 degrees is the supplement of 60 degrees. That means, for example, see, supplement of 60 degrees. How do you find supplement of 60 degrees? Simply, see, if you want a supplement of 60 means, so transpose 120 to this side. What do you get now? 180 degrees minus 120. Sorry, 180 degrees minus 60. So this you need to transpose, not this one. So you will be getting 120. So what is the supplement of 120 degrees? So that means from 180 subtract 120, you will get the supplement of 120. That is how much? 60 degrees. Okay. Very good, very good, very good. Very good, very good. Not 50 degrees, 60 degrees, Nana. 60 degrees. Similarly, the supplement of x degrees. So what's your answer? That is 180 degrees minus x degrees. So this, remember, this is very, very important. Very, very important point. Okay, have you understood? Okay. Right. So let us move to one more very, very important concept that we are going to discuss now. Right. Okay. Do you have any idea about adjacent angles? Adjacent angles. See, for example, this is a ray. This is another ray. For example, O is the vortex. Say OA ray and OB ray. Otherwise, say OC ray. This will be OB ray. So, for example, say this angle and these two are said to be adjacent angles. Adjacent angles. So that means, you see, so these two angles have the same vertex. Same vertex means that is called common vertex. The angles having common vertex, and this is the one of the arms is common arm. So common arm means what are the arms here? OB, OC are the arms, OA, OB. OB is the common. Common arm are called adjacent angles. So this is the concept of the adjacent angles. So what is the concept of the adjacent angles? The first concept, they should have the common vertex and common arm. So then they said to be adjacent angles. The angles having common vertex and common arm are called adjacent angles. So that means here the angle AOB, angle AOB, angle AOB, comma, angle BOC, angle BOC are adjacent angles. Adjacent angles. Clear? And here O is called, here O is called, O is the common vertex. Common vertex means the vertex is common to the both the angles. Common vertex. And this OB is the common arm. OB is the common arm. Common arm. So it has common vertex. They have common vertex and common arm. So these two angles are said to be adjacent angles. Adjacent angles. Clear? Okay. Right. Angle AOB. Very good, Anand. Very good. Very good. Right. D. Konda Sivamani. Amasri. Right. Sivaram. Very good, Sivaram. Malian. Okay. 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 If you continue the chart, nobody will disturb you. So chart with me. So with concepts. That's very important. Very good, Nana. You are doing good job. Okay. Let us move to yet another concept now. Yet another concept. So now we are going to discuss one more very, very important concept. So let us discuss one more important concept. This concept is actually very, very important concept. That is called actually linear pair. Linear pair. So what do you mean by a linear pair? Now we are going to discuss about the important point that is called linear pair. What is the linear pair? For example, observe Nana here. This is OA ray. Here OC also a ray. So this angle are adjacent angles, and also one criteria, adjacent as well as the sum of these two angles is 180 degrees. So if the sum of the two adjacent angles is 180 degrees, then the two angles pair is said to be linear pair. You see, in the pair of adjacent angles, if non-common arms are non-common arms, this is OA and OC are not common, opposite rays, then those angles are called linear pair. Otherwise, see, for example, you see this point you can write angle AOB, comma angle BOC have same vertex and common arm are adjacent angles. Adjacent angles. Clear? And also the sum of these two angles, angle AOB plus angle BOC. If you add, you get 180 degrees. That means these two angles are supplementary also, we can say. Angle AOB comma angle BOC are supplementary, are called supplementary. Supplementary. Then very, very important point. So therefore this angle AOB comma angle BOC are called a linear pair. A linear pair. Linear pair. This is very, very important. Very, very important. Clear? Yes or no? It's clear. Yes or no? Okay. You got it now? You got it? 1 minute. Okay. 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 Now let us move to, now this concept might have understood now. This is called linear pair. Okay. Next point. Next point we are going to discuss next important point. Right. So now we are going to discuss one more very important point. See, now the next important point is vertically opposite angles. See, if the two lines, this is the line L, this is line M, intersect at one point, say O point, they are intersecting lines. So by means of this, actually here four angles will be formed. One, so this is another set of angle. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 is opposite to 3, 2 is opposite to 4. So that means angle 1 comma angle 2, clear, and angle 2 comma angle 4 are said to be vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle are equal. For example, this is 30 degrees. This is 30 degrees only. If it is 30 means it is a linear pair. This fourth angle must be actually 150 degrees. 150 plus 30 must be equal to, here this angle is the supplement of 30, 180 minus 30, 150. Obviously, so this angle will be 150. It's not 150 actually, this will be 150. This is 30. So this is also 30. So this is 150. See, total this is angle is a complete angle. 150 plus 150 is 300. 30 plus 30, 360. So total angle is 360 degrees. Clear? Right. Yes, Pranavi. Venkatampet. Venkatampet. Right. Okay. Right. Naga Kausik. Arajha. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. So now we have completed vertically angles. Okay. Next concept we are going to discuss. See, one more very important point to be discussed here. I will discuss. Okay. Wait. See, if the measure of two angles is same, then they are called congruent angles. Congruent angles means their measures are same. For example, there are the two angles are there. For example, here one angle and another angle. This is something 45 degrees. This is also 45 degrees. So these two angles are said to be congruent angles. So next we are going to discuss angle bisector. This is very important. Angle bisector. Don't get confusion. What is meant by the angle bisector? For example, here, say, take one angle here. Let us consider angle AOB. Angle AOB. For example, the measure of this angle is equal to something 60 degrees. Make it half. So this, say OC. This is 30 degrees. This is 30 degrees. Now this OC is called angular bisector. That means this ray divides this angle into two equal parts. Then this OC is called angular bisector. That means angle AOC is equal to angle BOC. Then OC is called angular bisector. This is also called one more important point. Angle bisector are two types. That is internal and also external angle bisector also. But you are going to study in higher classes. But this is called internal angular bisector. Angular bisector. Right. Okay, next very important point to be discussed now. This is very important point. So let us study in a clear manner. This is very important point. So very important. So based on this, in NMS examination or any competence examination, the most of the questions will be asked based on this concept. This concept is very important. Please remember, all my dear students, please try to concentrate. If you want, you can take the screenshot also. It's very important. See, if a transversal intersects two lines, 8 angles are formed at the two intersecting points among them. For example, see Nana, this is a one line, this is other line. For example, if a line intersects at two distinct points, so this is called transversal. So if a line cuts two lines at two distinct points, how many angles will be formed? 8 angles. 1, 2, 3, 4 angles. 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 angles will be formed. So then we need to name all these angles. See, my dear students. For example, this angle is 1, this angle is 2. Like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like this right now. See, here 3, 4, 6, 5 are inside of these two lines. That's why interior angles, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6. Angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6 are called interior angles. But whereas 1, 2, 7, 8 called exterior angles. Interior means inside. Exterior means outside. Don't get confusion, Anna. So if you want, you can ask the doubts also. Arsha, please leave the class. Please leave the class. Yes, Pranavi, wonderful. Outside. Exterior means outside. Interior means inside. Right? So that means here exterior angles are 1, 2, 7, 8. So now the corresponding angles, I will tell you. So 1, 5, 2, 6, 2, 6, 4, 8, 3, 7. This pair, and this pair, these pairs are called corresponding angles. For example, this 4, 6, 4, 6, 3, 5. 3, 5, 4, 6 are called alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. So these names you need to remember, Nana. Vamshi, wonderful. Okay, this is called corresponding angles. Haripriya, Chelluru, JPH Chelluru, right. So next, Nana, one thing remember, 1 and 7. This 1 and 7 also alternate angles. 2 and 8 also alternate angles, but they are exterior. So pairs of alternate exterior angles. So next, my dear students, remember, 1 is opposite to 5, 2 is opposite to 4, 1 is opposite to 3, 2 is opposite to 4, 5 is opposite to 7, 5 is opposite to 8. So they are called actually vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles are always equal. So now 3, 6, 3, 6. This is co-interior angles. 4, 5 also co-interior angles. So next 1, 8, 2, 7 are called co-exterior angles. Linear pair, very important. That means angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180. Angle 3 plus angle 4, 180. Angle 3 plus angle 5, 180. Angle 7 plus angle 8 also 180. So they are called linear pairs. So please try to concentrate. If you have any doubt, please ask me. Because this is very important in future also. This is very important. Okay. Varshini, yes, vertically opposite angles are always equal. Very good, Nana. Very good, very good, very good, very good, very good. So actually, if any your friends are uh, not attending classes, actually you call them and invite them, because this is very important chapter to be discussed. It's very, very important in future also. It will be very, very useful. Right. Okay. Right. See Mahita UPS Basfapur. Right. Co-interior angles. Haripriya Chelluru. Mahalakshmi Vadlakonda, change your name. Change your name. Okay, you will understand. We are going to discuss one more concept also. Don't worry. Right. Let me explain. Don't worry. Right. So now you will understand here. Don't worry. Again, we are going to discuss here also. Uh, right. So these points are very, very important. Again, I will discuss. See. So my dear students, see, if a transversal intersects two lines, then sum of angles formed at every intersecting point is 360 degrees. See, Nana, for example, this is a line L. For example, this is a line M. So now these two lines are intersected by a transversal. This is a transversal. Then how many angles are formed? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now sum of all these four angles is a complete angle. That's why, my dear students, you get angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degrees. Sorry, 360 degrees. Am I correct? Similarly, angle 5 plus angle 6 plus angle 7 plus angle 8 is also 360 degrees. Clear, my dear students? Okay. Sum of exterior angles. Sum of exterior angles means angle 1 plus angle 2, angle 7 plus angle 8. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 7 plus angle 8 also 360. Sum of interior angles also. Angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 6 plus angle 5 also 360 degrees. You remember these points. So my dear students, please try to understand this concept. This concept is very important. If a transversal intersects two parallel lines, these two are parallel lines. L and M are parallel. Here also 8 angles are formed. Angle 1 is equal to angle 5. Angle 4 is equal to angle 4 is equal to angle 7. Angle 3 is equal to angle 8. Angle 2 is equal to angle 6. Angle 1 is equal to angle 5. And angle 4 is equal to angle 7. Their corresponding angles are equal. And this angle is equal to this angle. Angle 3 is equal to angle 5. Angle 4 is equal to angle 6. This is very, very important point. Alternative exterior angles. 1, 8 also equal. 2, 7 also equal. 1, 8 equal. 2, 7. Sorry. So 1, 8 exactly. Angle 2, angle 7. They are equal. So pair of vertically opposite angles are equal. Angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Angle 2 is equal to angle 4. Angle 5 is equal to angle 8. Angle 6 is equal to angle 7. So this is very important. Sum of co-interior angles is 180. That means angle 3 plus angle 6 is equal to 180. Angle 4 plus angle 5 also 180. Sum of co-exterior angles. Sum of co-exterior angles means angle 1 plus angle 8. Angle 2 plus angle 2 plus angle 7 plus angle 1 plus angle 8 is also 180 degrees. You remember this concept. These concepts are very important. While doing the problems, we can attempt all these things. Don't worry. Right. So one more important point. So these formulae you remember, this very, very important formula, right? Note down in your notebook. See, these formulae are very, very important. See, the number of lines can be drawn through n non-collinear points. For example, in a plane, there are n number of non-collinear points. How many number of lines can be drawn? That formula is n into n minus 1 by 2. This is a formula for the first one formula. So next second one. What is the second one? The number of diagonals drawn a polygon of n sides. For example, a polygon is given. Polygon means triangle, next quadrilateral, pentagon. Pentagon means 5 sides, hexagon means 6 sides, septagon 7, decagon is 10. The number of diagonals. Number of diagonals to formula is n into n minus 3 by 2. The number of line segments can be drawn through n collinear points also, same formula. That is number of lines or line segment is n into n minus 2. You remember this formula. These formulae are very, very important. Okay, try to note down. Collinear point means, actually collinear point means okay, collinear point means if 3 or more points lie on the same line, they said to be collinear. Okay, I have been observing all your charts also. Accordingly, we shall continue our sessions. Right. Okay, let us move to our questions now. Right. See, which of the following is not a polygon? Which of the following is not a polygon? See, this is a polygon. So this is a polygon. This is a polygon. Because it's a polygon, but circle is there. So that means you can find out. What is our answer? What is our answer? No, 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 no. Which of the following is not a polygon? It's a polygon only. But here actually circle is there here. It's not a polygon. So C is the right answer. C is the right answer. C is the right answer. Not a polygon means it is not a polygon. So the number of angles formed in the adjacent figure. How many angles are formed here? Tell me. How many angles? How many angles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is also one angle. So that means more than 5. More than 5 angles will be formed. Very good, Nana. More than 5. Absolutely correct. The shortest distance between any 2 points is called. For example, you take this point and this point. If you want to find out the distance from this point to this point, say this A point and B point, distance means you can measure like this is also distance, this is also distance, this is also distance. Of all the distances, if you draw it like this is the shortest distance. This shortest distance is nothing but a line segment. This is called line segment. Line segment. The shortest distance between the 2 points is always, remember, line segment. Wonderful, Nana. A is the right answer. Which represents a ray in the adjacent figure? Which represents a ray in the adjacent figure? Ray means actually OA is there also a ray. OB is also a ray. AB is also a ray. So which represents a ray in the adjacent figure? So OA, OB, BA, BA is not a ray. AB. So which represents a ray in the adjacent figure. All are correct. OA is also a ray. OB, here AB. It's not. So three answers are correct. So my dear students, remember this question is very important. So let us discuss this question separately. This question let us discuss separately. See, here see the number of diagonals of a octagon. Octa means 8 sides. So the number of diagonals we need to find out. Octagon. Octagon means a polygon which has 8 sides. A polygon which has 8 sides is called an octagon. That means here n is equal to 8. So we have the beautiful formula. Number of diagonals of a polygon. Number of diagonals of a polygon. Number of diagonals of a polygon is given by the formula n times n minus 3 upon 2. So here, my dear students, remember octagon means it has sides n. So n is equal to 8 here. So n is equal to 8. Let us substitute 8 multiplied with 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3 means 5 by 2. So now you can simplify. What is your answer? So what is your answer? What is your answer? Okay, 40, 40, 20, right? D, 20. So I need more than 80 answers. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Good try, good try. Right. See, let us try. 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja. So 20 is the right answer. Or 40 divided by 2. So D is the right answer. D is the right answer. Yes, Vanilla. Change your name. Yes. Okay. Suchitra, Mahita, Janavi. Very good. Aradja. Very good, Nana. Okay, let us move to yet another question now. This, you can do this problem. This is very simple problem. See, you need to find out the complement of 25 degrees. See the solution. You have complement of already we had a discussion. So otherwise you can watch the for previous video you can watch YouTube, Akshara YouTube. Complement of x degrees is equal to 90 degrees minus x degrees. So therefore complement of 25. Complement of 25. So complement of 25 degrees means in the place of x 25. You need to subtract 25 from 90 degrees. So 90 from 90 subtract 25. How do you subtract? Borrow 10. This becomes 8. 10 minus 5 is 5. 8 minus 2 is 6. So 65 is the right answer. 65 is the right answer. Yes, wonderful, wonderful. So don't give the chance to the others. All of you chart it. Okay. So those who are disturbing, they may be removed like that. Very good, Nana. Very good, Manitija. Everybody, wonderful. 65. Yes. 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 Okay. So one more question we can. This is logical question. Complementary angles are always right angles, acute angles, obtuse angles. Sorry, we cannot say. This is cannot say. So that means, for example, Nana, complementary angles will be examples if you consider 30 degrees, 60 degrees, 20 degrees, 70 degrees, 45, 45 if they are equal. That means if you observe all these complementary angles, no angle is actually right angle. This is incorrect. No angle is more than 180. So it's not obtuse angle. Always these two angles are what? Acute angles. So B is the right answer. Complementary angles are always acute angle. Do you agree with me or not? Do you agree with me? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, right. Okay, let us move to yet another question. Yet another question. Yet another question. Right. See, one more question I would like to share with you. Right. So you can do. Just read the question and try to answer this question. So I will read. Let me read the question. The supplementary angle of 20 degrees. What is the supplement of 20 degrees? Supplement of 20 degrees. So what is your answer? What is your answer? Very good, Nana. Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay. Don't worry. Mathematics is no problem. Either Telugu or English. So 180 minus 20 degrees. So you get 160 degrees. So from 180 subtract 20. You get your supplement of 20 degrees. B is the right answer. Yes. Have you understood? Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Pragna Dubbaka. Right. Right. Very good. Very good. So let us move to yet another question. Yet another question. So this is figure based question. Try to observe the figure and then try to answer it. See what you observe. In the adjacent figure, angle AOC and angle BOC are called straight angle, vertically opposite angle, linear pair, none of these. So that means AOC, this is the O, 140 degrees and 40 degrees. What do you say? Straight angle, vertically opposite angle, or linear pair, or none of these. What is your answer? What is your answer? Very good, Nana. Very good, Nana. They said to be linear pair. Very, very important concept. Linear pair. Both the angles 140 and 40 is said to be linear pair. So C is the right answer. Everybody is following. Definitely you will get NMMS scholarship, Nana. All the best. Very good. Very good. Good try. Right. So one more concept based question. Okay, try to solve this one. The line which intersects two or more lines at a distinct point is called. A line which intersects two or more lines at a distinct point is called. I will draw the lines. For example, here is a line. So here one more line and one more line. These three lines are intersected by another line. Now, what do we call this line? What do we call? Intersecting lines, parallel lines, reflecting lines, or transversal? What's your answer? Oh, transversal. Very good. Very good. Transversal. Red line. Red line. Yeah. Very good, Nana. Very good. Very good. Not A. So they are not. They are not intersect. This intersect at different points. So then this is called actually transversal. Transversal. I hope it's very clear to you. Yes, D is the right answer. D is the right answer. So now I'll move to the one very important problem. These kind of problems are generally maybe asked in NMMS examination. See, this is a figure-based question. This is answer. Okay, try to solve this question. See, in the adjacent figure, the value of x we need to find out. See the solution. Don't worry, Nana. For example, this angle is 8x minus 2. This angle is 4x. This angle is x. For example, sum of all these angles form a 180 degrees. That means you can write 4x plus 8x minus 2 plus x is equal to 180 degrees. Clear? So now 4x, 8x, x are like terms. Let us add. 4x plus 8x is 12x plus x, 13x. Minus 2 is equal to 180. Okay. So now how can you proceed? So now take minus to this side. You get 180 plus 2. You get 192. So we need x value. 192 divided by 30. So now tell me, what is your answer? What is your answer? What is your answer? 14. Oh, wonderful. Wonderful. Okay. Let me check. Let me check. Let me check. Yes, 182. I did mistake here. Absolutely correct, Nana. You are. 180 plus 2 is 182. So we need x value 182 by 30. So now 182 is divided by the 13. 13 1 ja 13. Subtract 5, 52. 13 4 ja 52. It leaves a remainder 0. That means 182 is exactly divisible by 13. 13 14 times you get 182. 13 1 ja 13 14 times. So this is 14 degrees x value is. Yes, A is the right answer. 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 Okay, let us move to one more question. So one more concept-based question. Try to understand this question. See, if two supplementary angles are equal, this is called actually stem of the question. This is a very important point in the stem. The two supplementary angles are equal, then their measures are. Supplementary angles means some of the angles must be 180 and the two angles must be same in magnitude, same in measure. They must be equal. What is your answer? What is your answer? Oh, very good, very good, very good. Yes, Nana, absolutely. See, 90 plus 90 is equal to how much you will be getting? 180. And also they are equal. These two are equal. So A is the right answer. Very good, Nana. Very good. You're doing wonderful job. Oh, Nandini Prasanna. Okay. Sivaram Teja. Hemasri. Srija. Right. Right, Nana. Right, Nana. Okay. Next, I will move to this application type of question. So this is the question and based on, okay. See, the ratio of two supplementary angles is 7:11. Then the values are, it's wrong spelling, values are. What are the angles? First 7:11 means you can find the ratio. You can eliminate here also. See, sum of the angles must be 180. See, 60 plus 120 is 180 only, but 0 0 cancel, but it cannot be 7:1. Now add these two. 110 plus 70 is 180. Okay. Now find the ratio. 70 is to 110. 0, 0 cancel. 7 is to 11. So our answer is C. I hope it's very clear to you. For example, sum of these two angles also 180, but ratio C 5 is to 13 you will be getting. So it is not correct. It is not correct. It is not correct. So C is the right answer. So without paper pen, you can solve this problem. Without paper pen. Right. Okay, let us move to yet another beautiful problem now. We are going to discuss. Right. This is figure based question. Actually, in geometry, so most of the problems are figure based questions in lines and angles. Okay, try to solve this question. Stephen, okay, Jalgam Nagar. Okay, yes, let us try. See, the value of angle BOD we need to find out. Angle BOD, this angle we need to find out. So these two angles are called vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. So they are equal. For example, angle AOC is 40. What is the angle BOD? That means angle BOD equals to angle AOC. So we get that is 40 degrees. So our answer is 40 degrees. Yes, Nana. Yes, 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 yes. Wonderful, wonderful. Good job, good job, good job. Good job. So what is the right answer? 40 degrees. Yes, Nana. D is the right answer. You are correct. Absolutely correct. Okay. Next question. So this carefully try to do this problem. Which is false? That means which is not correct among the following from the given figure. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. It is correct only. It is true. Angle 1 plus angle 3 is linear pair. Yes, it is true. Angle 1 is equal to angle 4. No, it's not correct. Angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Yes, true. We need to find false. What is the false statement now? This is the false statement. So C is the right answer. Very good. Very good. So you chart like that only. So others may not interfere with you. Very good. Very good. Wonderful job. You are doing. Very everybody. Right. This also, see, the supplement of an acute angle is, for example, Nana, you take acute angle 30 degrees. What is its supplement? 180 minus 30. You will be getting 150. If one angle is acute angle, its supplement is always obtuse angle. So A is the right answer. A is the right answer. Right? Saranya. Yes, yes. Pragnya. Right. Maniteja, Rakshita, Srija, Swati, Pranavi. Right. Very good, Anna. Very good, very good, very good, very good, very good. Stigda. Right. Stephen. Right, right. Right, Nana. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So let us do. So this is the one more question based on figure only, figure based question. Try to read the figure carefully. Observe the figure. In the adjacent figure, angle 1 is equal to 135 degrees. This is 135 degrees. These two are parallel lines. Then the values of angle 2, angle 3, and angle 4 you need to find out. So that means it's a linear pair. Linear pair means, so these two angles are supplementary angles. So angle 2 is equal to, you can write 180 degrees minus 135. This is the first step. First step. How much you get, you calculate it. So now you need to find out angle 3. So second point. Angle 3 is equal to angle 1 because vertically opposite angles. So that is 135 degrees. So now you need to find out third step is angle 4. Angle 4 equals to angle 2. First calculate 180 minus 35. So 5 you will be getting. This will be 45. So this is also 45. That means what is our answer? 45 degrees, 135 degrees, and 45 degrees. So this is our answer. It's clear? Very good, Nana. Very good, very good, very good. Right. Thank you, Nana. Bye bye. See you. Have a nice day.